Alright guys, so today I'm going to show you how to install the wireless D-Fly module. The version that I have is the one that mounts to the external side of your bike. Let's go ahead and get started. So basically you'll need effectively three things to get started. You'll want to have the Di2 tool to pull off the wire, put the new one in, those types of things. I'll link to this tool in the description below. And then you'll need the D-Fly module as well. So I have that, I already pulled it out of the box. And then in the box, there's the strap that'll hold it to your chainstay. So get these, and then it should be fairly quick to get this installed. All right, so I have my bike set up here on a stand, and I have all my goodies ready to go. So the first step you want to do is disconnect this rear wire from your rear derailleur, and then the tool is pretty simple. You have this end, which is used for removing wires, and then this end for inserting them back in. So I find the notch, click, and then pull it out. So it's pretty easy with the tool, and I highly recommend getting it. So now that this part's removed, what I want to do is get a little bit of slack in this Di2 wire. So holding my grommet down, and then I'm going to kind of eyeball where I want it. So what you want to do is essentially this kind of interrupts or goes between the old wire and then your rear derailleur. So I'm planning on mounting it right here. So the first step I'm going to do is take the wire that's coming from the rest of the components and whatnot, and then put it into the new D-Fly module. And then like I was saying, the side's used to secure the wires. Put it in, and then push it until you hear a snap, and then you'll do the same thing on the other side of the wire, which is going from the module to your derailleur. So put it in, and then go ahead and push it until you hear a snap. There we go. So both of these wires are now secure, and then you'll take the module and then the strap that came with it, and then just attach it to your chainstay. And that's the kind of the simple, pretty straightforward way to attach this. Oh, you guys can't see that, but attaching the D-Fly module to your rear derailleur, and then as you can see, the bike still shifts. And it's good to go. And then the next video is I'll show you how to pair it with your Garmin head unit or your Wahoo or any of those other head units you guys use. Alright, so now that you've installed the D-Fly module, I'll just show you really quick how to pair it to your head unit. I'm using the Garmin 520. It's basically the same process with whatever Garmin you have. Wahoo might be a little bit different, but it should be fairly straightforward. So what I'll want to do is go down to the settings, and then add a new sensor. So I'll go ahead and add the sensor, and then I'll go ahead and find Di2, go, and then so it says trying to connect, and then it says shift the front and rear gears, and there you go. So you can see this is the new module that I just added, and then hit accept, and then there we go. So now when I go to my ride screen, I can see what gear I'm in, and then it's pretty responsive. You can kind of tell when I'm hitting the button, it basically kind of shifts right away. So super recommend it if you guys are running Di2 and you want to know which gear you're in. Hey, thanks for taking the time watching my video. If you found this video helpful, or if you have any questions, go ahead and leave a comment. Please like and subscribe, and I'll probably come out with more videos in the future.